Course on Origami Dress Making by the Dresser. Origami is a paper folding technique that can also be applied to fabric to create unique and artistic garments. Here are some concepts for using origami in garment design. Pleating. Pleating is a classic origami technique that can be used to create texture and depth in a garment. Designers can experiment with different types of pleats, such as accordion, box, and knife pleats, to create a variety of looks. Folded details. Origami folds can be used to create interesting details on a garment, such as folded cuffs or collar points. These details can add visual interest to an otherwise simple garment. Modular origami. This technique involves folding multiple identical units and then connecting them together to form a larger structure. Designers can use this technique to create 3D shapes or geometric patterns on a garment. Origami-inspired draping. Origami techniques can also be applied to draping fabric on a dress form. Designers can experiment with different folding techniques to create unique and unexpected shapes. 3D applique. Origami-inspired shapes can be cut from fabric and then appliqued onto a garment to add dimension and texture. These shapes can be anything from simple geometric forms to complex organic shapes. Here are few types of origami concepts you will learn from the dresser. Layered bodice, spiky bodice, origami vortex bodice. Geometrics-inspired designs. 1. The square construction within panels, sleeve and skirt. Button placket shape, pleated motifs, bicolored pleats, bamboo pleat decoration. Making little boxes, lantern sleeve with boxes. 2. The triangle infusion within panels, sculptural panel skirt, top with panels. Bamboo fold stitching, spiked shapes with triangles, triangular accordion pleats. Triangular tucks. Polyhedrons, polyhedrons back, polyhedrons neckline, polyhedrons skirt. 3. The circle, circular layers, layered neckline, layered skirt, sculptural panel skirt. Raglan sleeves with panels, textured bodice with panels, circular accordion, rounded boxes. How to create accordion pleats, basic accordion pleat technique. Origami techniques offer a lot of potential for creating unique and artistic garments. Designers can experiment with different folding techniques and combine them with traditional garment construction methods to create truly one-of-a-kind pieces. At the Dresser Institute of Fashion and Patternmaking students gets in-depth training, and everything is learned practically. For more info and details regarding the course, contact us at www.tdifp.com or www.thedresserboutique.com. Call us at +91 83103 72776.